Hello friends, my name is Desai Hetal Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa Pandi Standards 8 Subject English Chapter number 6. He stroked its side as gently as though the fawn were a china deer and he might break it. Its skin was very soft. It was sleek and clean and had a sweet skin of grass. He rose slowly and lifted the fan from the ground. Its legs hung limply. They were surprisingly long, and he had to hoist the fan as high as possible under his arm. Suddenly, he saw a large vulture-like bird flying into the air. Suddenly, उसने क्या देखा? स्काई में एक बड़ा bird. कौन सा? Vulture-like bird flying into the air. Soon, he found that many such birds were feeding on the dead body of the dog. He threw his stick at them. It came away. An incident has occurred only 24 hours ago. He went round, but did not find the fan. Even the footprints on the grass had been washed away in the rain. He was afraid that might it kick and bleat at sight and smell of its mother. He skipped the clearing and pushed his way into the thicket. It was difficult to fight, pushed his way into the thick. It was difficult to fight through with his burden. The fan legs caught in the bus, and he could not yet lift his own with freedom. He tried to shield its face from prickling vines. Its head bobbed with his tread. His heart thumped with the marvel of its acceptance of him. He reached the trail and walked as fast as he could until he came to the intersection with the road home. He stopped to rest and sat them fan down on its dangling legs. It on them. It looked at him and bleated. Just then he was startled to see the fan lifting its face. He was taking Jody walked up to and put his arms around its body. Its skin was soft and clean. It did not kick, not bleed. He saved its face from the thorny flanks. He picked it up and walked as fast as he could until he came to the intersections with the road home. He said, enchanted, I will carry you after I get my breath. He remembered his father saying that a fan would follow if it had first been carried. He started away slowly. The fan started after him. He came back to it and stroked it and walked away again. It took a few wobbling steps toward him and cried piteously. It was willing to follow him. It belonged to him. It was his own. He was light-headed with his joy. He wanted to fondle off to run and romp with it, to call it and come to him. He dared not alarm it. He picked up and carried it in front of him over his two arms. It seemed to him that he walked without effort. Finally, he reached some took after the fan into his father's room. Penny was glad to see it. Jody gave to milk to drink. He dipped his fingers into the milk and it lit suck. Then it drank last drop of milk. Jody was happy now. His arms began to itch and he was forced to stop again. When he walked on the fan, followed him at once, he allowed it to walk a little distance, then picked up again. The distance home was nothing. He could not have walked all day and into the night. Carrying, he came to the clearing. It was fresh and green after the night's rain. He flung with the ledge and was finally obliged to set down the fan to manage. Then he had an idea. He could walk into the house, into Penny's bedroom. Okay, and last paragraph in next video I explain. Okay, I will write a question answers this chapter, and you will write in your English notebook. Okay, thank you.